Almost a year ago, I teased a program that would allow you to automatically upload your designs to Printify products without having to do anything. After many hours of coding, working with several developers, having the project look like it wasn't even going to work out, and about $20,000 down the drain, I'm super happy to announce that the Printify product uploader is finally here. It's been a long time coming. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and connect it to your Printify account, what it can and can't do, as well as some news about the course that your boy has dropped. I built a similar version of this program a couple years ago, and it was absolutely instrumental to me being able to build a $2 million business. And now I can share that program with you. First is you'll want to head over to my website and visit the downloads page. From here, you'll see the product uploader. Now, it is completely free. There's no one-time fees. There's no subscription plans or anything. It is completely free. We have support for Windows as well as Mac and even Mac Silicon. So if you have one of the newer Macs, you'll still be able to use the program. From here, you'll just download it and install the program, and you might have to accept some permissions since it is an application just downloaded off the web. Now, a little important disclaimer here, this is not a Printify product. Even though Printify is a sponsor, they have not endorsed this program. This is not an official Printify program. This is a program that I have had built. Now, when you first open it up, it should look something like this. And here's where we have to connect it to our Printify account. Now, here in Printify, I've just created a brand new shop so that we can test this out. And you'll want to come down to your little account icon and click on connections. From here, all we're going to do is click on generate. We can give this token a name. So we could call it something like Alex Uploader and make sure all scopes is still checked, and then just hit generate token. From here, you want to hit copy to clipboard. Now, with this copied, you just want to come over into the program, paste it in, and hit OK. You can see it immediately loads in all of the listings that I have associated with this account. So if we take a look at all of the products that I've posted here, you can see that these 3 products have shown up in the product uploader. So let's use it to actually bulk upload some products. So with the list of products here, the uploader lets us duplicate one of our existing listings. This is really important because if we take a look at this mug listing, you can see that it has a description and it has some predefined pricing. $49.22. So when we upload new products, we want to maintain the pricing and the description and other attributes like the variations that we've already saved. So for this mug example, I'll just use the mug template and I'll hit copy. Now, right here is where we can either drag and drop in our files or we can navigate to them and select them. I've just got a file full of Midjourney designs that I've made, so we'll use these for this example, and I'll just select these cat patterns and drag and drop them in. Now, since these are already the right size for the mug, since I made them in Midjourney, all I have to do is literally just hit publish. Now from here, it'll just take a couple seconds to process through and upload all of these designs. But if we come back and we actually refresh our page, what you'll see is that we've successfully uploaded all 3 of those designs onto mugs. If I click open and check it out, you can see that the design is placed on the mug and the listing is named the same name as the file name that we started with. From here, I could literally just select all of our new uploads and hit publish. All of the important details that we want, like the description and the pricing, are all maintained since we're just copying one of the listings that we already have. But it doesn't work for just mugs. It works for almost everything. So let's try some AI stickers. All I have to do is come in and duplicate my sticker listing. And then I can just drag and drop all of my sticker files in. I can hit publish. And then once again, just giving it a few seconds to actually upload those products. Eventually, I'll have all of these listings right in Printify. And once it's done, we can just come into Printify. We can refresh our web page, and you'll see that all of the stickers are automatically uploaded. And again, it also names the product based on what the file name is, and it holds all of your variation information. So if you're selling multiple sizes, for example, or on multiple colors, it'll save all of that information every time you're uploading a new product. You can see in just a minute, it's uploaded all of these stickers, something that would normally take you several minutes to do if you were doing it manually. Now, not every design that you upload is going to have the exact same dimensions. So let's just use the t-shirt for example. So if I just drag and drop in all of my t-shirt designs, I've pre-sized these so that they'll actually fit on the t-shirt really nicely. But if they aren't pre-sized, then we can use these controls to manually adjust each one. We could change the width of it. We could change how far down from the top it appears. We could also change out the titles if we needed to. After we make all of our settings and we change it to how we like, again, we can just hit publish and it'll maintain those settings when it's actually uploading the design. And then if we come back into Printify, we give it a quick refresh, and we can see that it's uploaded all of our designs exactly how we'd expect it to be. You can see that it's sized it perfectly, it's got the title, and it's saved all of our pricing details, as well as a description about how awesome the t-shirt is. So it saves all of the important details, copies your listings, and makes uploading extremely easy. And for the listings that we made the modifications on, if we take a look at the design, you can see that its width is 10 inches and it's positioned 2 down from the top, exactly how we input it in the uploader. For the design to automatically scale to fit the product, your design needs to be at least the size of the print area for the product. So a sticker would need to be 1,113 pixels. If it's bigger than that, it'll just scale down and fit it, but if it's smaller, then you'll have to manually adjust up the scale in the uploader program. Also, super large files, maybe designs for posters or blankets, really big images. We're not sure if we can handle these yet because Printify doesn't necessarily like bulk uploading very large files to their servers. Finally, the last limitation is we can't currently use the set variation tool, which is a tool that allows you to upload multiple designs to the same product. The uploader can't do that just yet. For now, it's just one design to one product. But we're working on adding these features so that the uploader gets better over time, but it's still a mega time saver as is. You might consider subscribing so that you know when new updates come out. And finally, the huge announcement that's also been a long time in the making, the 6-figure storefront course that your boy has dropped. That's right, hand over the bread. I've really poured everything I know into this course. It's finally available for purchase. So if you're interested in diving a bit deeper and actually taking this business model seriously, buying it obviously helps us both out, but it also allows me to do things like build this uploader program. If you're interested in learning how I built my business from scratch and how you can grow a 6-figure income in your spare time, consider checking it out. I truly hope that this uploader program and this video help you. And as always, stay dangerous.